Hey everyone, this is my first voiceover on RedNerve Sec, and I'm excited to kick things off with a CTF walkthrough of this particular dark hole 2 box. Okay, I'll be going step by step through the challenge, sharing how I think, what tools I use, and how I solve it. Okay, so let's start. And so it's my instinct machine, and this is the dark holes machine. So let's start then. So we just have to take some minutes so that both of the machines get started well. Let's starting. And our Kali is starting as well. So okay, as you can see, like this machine is just starting out. It's loading. Okay, and our Kali machine has just started. Okay, okay. So this machine is also started. And after that, let's jump over my Kali and uh, start the terminal. Okay. So at first, let me make a directory on desktop named as VulnHub. Okay, so here I'll be doing a box named as uh, DarkHole. Okay, so let's start it. At first, let's start discovering this machine's IP. So for this, we will use netdiscover -i ETS0. Okay, it will get all of the device IPs that are attached. Okay, and we can also use ARP scan for it. Like we can use sudo ARP scan hyphen local hyphen net, not hyphen. Okay, so we got the IPs, and this is my dark holes IP. Okay, as you can see, so here it's the dark holes IP. Let's start the scanning with Nmap. I'll take the output. Okay, so let's start it and let's run scan as well so that we can discover the ports faster than Nmap. So let's do it. We have port number 80 open. It means web server is running and SSH client is running. Okay, so we have two ports open here. Let's navigate to the browser and let's see what we can do. Okay, okay, so we got this site with a login feature and some view details thing. Even can we Okay, we have nothing more than it. We have index.css file which contains the CSS code and login.php file. Okay, inside the login.php we got a path named as C user sourcing text of HTML projects. This okay. We like this is the sign in page, but it's commented. Okay, let's say it without the source page. Okay. So let's create the we have asked emails and all, okay, and we also got the response of Nmap. So and here we have a get the file exposed in Nmap, like Nmap detected and get the file. So like at first let's try here default credentials like admin and admin. If it's admin@admin.com or uh, then equals to one the SQL payload LIMIT. Okay, it's not vulnerable to SQL injection, I guess. So let's look at that get file. Okay, we have get a file here. Let's download the git dumper. It will dump out our git file. Okay, so let's download it and put it over on the directory. Okay, so here we got our git dumper. Let's complete its requirement. It's installing the requirements. After that, let's create a file where we will store our output of that git. Okay, make the let's say ABCD. So let's run the git dumper with the URL of .git file. Okay, and we have to put it on ABCD. So it will dump out everything, every possible thing. Okay, so if we go on this, it will show everything like dashboard.php. We have dashboard.php, .get file idea, login, logout. Okay, and okay. So here, let's check out its log. Okay, so basically, when we do git log, we can check out the log of it. Okay, so here it's committed like head and I changed login.php for more secure. Then I added login.php with default credentials. So we have to look this particular commit for the credentials. Like maybe the developer have added the credentials here. Like it says I have added login.php file with default credentials. Okay, so just look at it. So let's check the difference. Okay, so here we have, as we have checked, like the difference. Okay, of this. So we got an post request of email. Email is lush at admin.com and password as 321. Okay, so let's try it on our login page. We had a login page and password was 321. Okay, as we got this, uh, we can edit these. Okay, do we have any more functionality or anything? Okay, so space is not allowed. We have a parameter of maybe SQL or maybe IDOR. Let's see. Okay, okay, we don't have IDOR here, but let's see. Let's check it out for SQL. Okay, it has SQL injection. Okay, so let's pass it through SQL map. Okay, Okay, so let's check it out. ID does not seem to be injectable, but it have it it's having SQL injection, I guess. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's save the response of it. Okay, by going to burp, let's start out the burp and save the request of it. And we'll pass the request with cookie. Maybe the verification was needed to access this portal. So maybe let's use that thing. Maybe that will work, or if it will not, then we'll proceed with manual SQL injection. Okay, we got this. Okay, so let's save it out. Save item at vulnerable DarkHole SQL.re. Okay, so it was saved. After this, let's run it through SQL map using -r and SQL dot. Let's run it through. Okay, as you can see, we got the database's name. Okay, so let's check out the DarkHole 2 hyphen d hyphen tables. We have two things, okay, as tables. So users dump hyphen. Okay, it's dumped out. Let's dump it one more time. We have lush at admin. We have a user of jihad and fool, and we have the password of okay, great. So let's try to log in with jihad. Okay, let's try to do SSH. Like we got this in SSH. As you can see, it's on SSH table. Okay, so let's try to do it on jihad. We had the password as fool. Okay, okay. So we are successfully logged in as jihad. Okay, so let's look for some okay privilege escalations. It's not an sudoers. So let's try to find out some more informations. We have everything as default. We don't have any other thing. Okay, we might put LinPEAS here. Let's put LinPEAS. Okay, if you type LinPEAS on your terminal, you will be get into this particular directory user share peas. Okay, if you have downloaded the peas one, then go to LinPEAS and start server before it. Let's see my IP and let's put it on dev exception. Okay, it's in directly a directory that is similar to temp, but it's not temp. Okay, it does not store temporary files. So here we can download it using curl, I guess. might have wget, not curl, sorry. Okay, it's downloaded. It's running. Let's see what we what will got. Let's see. Let's wait for the results. NFT heap of out of the bond screen. Okay, just a second, guys. Sorry, guys, I got a call. So let's start it over. Okay, as you can see, like we got the LinPEAS output here, and this is the processes running on. Okay, so let's check these. We have a server over there. Okay, we have a server with a lozy user. Okay, PHP server running on port number 999, 4 times 9. Okay, so let's check it out on OPT. Okay, here we have a command injection parameter. So let's do SSH tunneling over here. Okay, SSH hyphen the port number 999, 4 times 9, jihad at IP, not this. And the password was full, I guess. Yep. So let's check out the server. Mhm. Not this one. But if we are running a daemon process over here, why it's not? Hmm. Okay, let's do local port forwarding instead of dynamic. Let's go for local. Okay, and okay, parameter get CMD. We have to pass a parameter. Okay, we have index.php and we have index.php here. Let's check out who we are. Who am I? We are Lozy. Okay, so let's go to revshells.com. We have okay, shells. I typed it misspelled wrongly. Okay, we had an IP of 163.156. So 163.156 is there. Let's use netcat mkc41. We are listening on 9001. Okay. let's use this to get the shell as okay, we are not getting this. Let's use some other shell. Like, can we use this? It's not R as such, it's as such only. Oops. Okay, let's see some. Do we have netcat over here? So we might get bind shell working. We have netcat. So why this one is not working if we have netcat? Let's pass it through uh, Bob Suite. I guess that's the issue here. Let's send it to repeater. No, we didn't get the shell. We might encode, maybe the encoding was needed. Okay, let's encode it. Okay, this section needs to be encoded. Encode. Oh, not this one. But can we just do control plus U here to encode it? Okay, it might work. Let's see. Okay, we got a shell with low Z. Let's use bash to stable out the shell. We have to export the term to clear out the screen. We have another user named as llama. As you can see, we have the flag. DarkHole is the life man better than curious. Okay, so let's see. Do we have any other files here? We have an bash history file. Let's fade it out. Okay, the password is gang of. Okay, great. Can we do SSH here with this particular password? SSH. We got the shell of Lozy. Lozy at this one. Okay, we can do SSH. Let's do sudo -l with gang, and we can run Python 3 with root. Okay, so let's go to GTF for bins. We have a site named as GTF for bins. Okay, what's this? Okay, sorry, I forgot to turn off the interceptor. Bob interceptor. Here we have Python binary. So we have sudo privileges. So let's run this. Okay, I guess I have to plug the child for it. Let's do one thing. Sudo python 3 slash user slash local slash python 3 user bin. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Okay, as you can see, we are root. So let's go to root and cat out the root.txt file. DarkHole legend, we got the root. And this is all for this video. May you like, okay, may you have liked the video. So this is it.